We are talking about wine today and how to pronounce German wine names. It's all about understanding German wines by drinking. Hey wine friends, welcome! I'm Rita and I'm a linguist and passionate wine lover, and I'm also the founder of Pure Rita's Wine. Today we are learning German wine words and how to pronounce them correctly. I'm going to help you with your pronunciation of the difficult and tricky German wine words or wine names so that you can sound like a wine geek in a restaurant or a liquid store. So grab a glass of wine, perhaps a German wine, take a deep breath or a good sip, and it's going to be okay. So let's dive into it. I have prepared the next tongue twisters for you. Gewurztraminer, also called roter Traminer oder gelber Traminer, is a white wine variety with a yellow reddish colored berries. The Gewurztraminer is one of the oldest and highest quality wines in the world. The grape variety produces noble and heavy white wines with incomparable aroma. The name Gewurztraminer refers to the intense aromas and spiciness of the wine, and probably to the village of Tramin in South Tyrol, where Traminer was already being produced in the 15th century. Compared to the Traminer grape variety, whose berries are bright green, the Gewurztraminer has a reddish colored berries as a mutation of Tramin. In Baden, Germany, the grape variety is also known as Klevner. Gewurztraminer produces a very aromatic wines which remind of a rose blossom and lychees. Gewurztraminer is a very characteristic. Other flavors and aromas are often described as honey, violet, lychee, bitter orange and passion fruit. In any case, the aromatic experience is intensely spicy and fruity. The colors of this generally alcohol-rich white wine range from straw yellow to golden yellow. White wines from Gewurztraminer have a long lifespan, especially the noble sweet Auslese wines can be stored for a long time. So, and now comes the quick German wine pronunciation exercise. How to say Gewurztraminer. Put on your headphones, relax and listen. Gewurztraminer, Gewurztraminer, Gewurztraminer. Gewurztraminer, Gewurztraminer, Gewurztraminer. So, well done! I hope this video was helpful for you. Which German wine term do you find difficult to pronounce? Let me know in a comment below. Hey wine lovers, if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumb up and don't forget to click on the red button to subscribe to my channel for regular updates. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drink something tasty tonight. Prost!